Hi, digital writing students. This week we will continue to talk about some of the basics. Last week we went over the fundamentals of writing for digital media. This week we're going to go over the fundamentals of editing for digital media, which you're going to learn go really hand in hand. And this is going to be an essential skill for any job that involves digital media. And it's also going to be an essential skill that you're going to need to apply to your final group project. So pay attention to the lessons this week. You are also going to have a quiz that is based off of the lesson, the video lessons on editing, and also your next reading from your book. Again, if you've had trouble acquiring your book, let me know ASAP, because you probably have already realized from last week that you're going to need them for the quizzes, and also for the assignments that you'll be doing. Also this week, I'm going to get you to practice editing with your discussion. You're basically going to click on a link and it'll take you to a story that I've created on a teaching website that has a lot of errors on it. It's written as sort of like a blog style recommendation for books, and it has a lot of mistakes. I want you to look at things like layout, are the links active? Look at things like grammar, spelling, all that kind of thing, anything that you can find. And I want you to identify mistakes and also tell me how you correct them. And that's the discussion board for this week. Remember that the full 10 points requires at least 2 replies to your peers' posts as well. And I do recommend you go through your peers' posts in this discussion board, especially because you'll probably find that they saw things that you missed, and it'll be an interesting exercise for you to learn what sort of things to look for when you're editing. This week you're also going to be assigned your next big assignment. I know you have an active one already, but since this is a short session, it's kind of important that we get the ball moving. You will have longer to do this one. This is the listicle story is the next assignment. You'll see it on your syllabus. I give you some instructions on the assignment, and I also have a video there, so I'm not going to go over it too much here, but just to say that you are going to be writing a list story, a story that uses a list as its fundamental structure. And that's what you'll be doing this week. So as always, let me know if you have any questions at my MGA email.